Hello children, how are you all? You all are fine and happy at home, no? So, today our subject is English. Lesson number 3, Rahul and his friends. Now you all know Rahul, a boy, and his friends. His friends are pet animals. We have learned in the last lecture and we are doing the revision of lesson number 3. You all know this, no? So, what topic we will revise today? See, we will revise hard words, meanings, fill in the blanks and true or false today. Yes, hard words, meanings, fill in the blanks and true or false. We all have done this before, but still if you have not understood, no, then you will able to understand this. So revise this properly. Okay children? So first we will revise hard words. Okay? So see now. Hard words. See, I have told you this, you have to learn it, so that you will be able to read the lesson. Okay children? See now, number 1, Rahul. Speak with me. R-A-H-U-L. Rahul. Okay children, see again. Read with me. R-A-H-U-L. Rahul. Now see number 2. Okay. Animals. See the spelling. A-N-I-M-A-L-S. Animals. Okay? Speak with me. A-N-I-M-A-L-S. Animals. Number 3, cat. C-A-T. Cat. See your cat picture. You all know the cat. Cat. P-E-T. Pet. See this word? Pet. P-E-T. Pet. See one we will revise this. Rahul. R-A-H-U-L. Rahul. Animals. A-N-I-M-A-L-S. Animals. Cat. C-A-T. Cat. P-E-T. Pet. Okay children? Yes. Rahul. Number 2. Animals. Number 3. Cat. Number 4. Pet. Okay. Now see. Number 5. Place. P-L-A-Y-S. Place. P-L-A-Y-S. Place. Number 6. B-A-L-L. Ball. B-A-L-L. Ball. Number 7. W-O-O-L. Wool. W-O-O-L. Wool. Number 8. F-L-U-F-F-Y. Fluffy. Okay children? Once again we will read. Number 5, place. P L A Y S. Place. P L A Y S. Place. See here this cat plays with ball of wool. Ball. Wool. Okay. Plays. Number 6. B A double L. Ball. B A double L. Ball. Number 6. B A double L. Ball. Number 7. W double O L. Wool. W double O L. Wool. Number 8. F L U double F Y. Fluffy. F L U double F Y. Fluffy. F L U double F Y. Fluffy. Understood, children? See now, more words we were having. Okay. Number 9. Bone. See your bone. See first you see the picture. Both the picture. Okay. Bone. Then your dog. See your Rahul. Understood? Number 9. B O N E. Bone. 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 Number 10. M I L K. Milk. 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 Okay, children. Number 11. Biscuits. B I S C U I T S. Biscuits. B I S C U I T S. Biscuits. You are eating biscuits now? Biscuits. Number 12. S T R O K E. Stroke. S T R O K E. Stroke. S T R O K E. Stroke. See here this Rahul is stroking head of Fluffy. This dog's name is Fluffy. You all know, no? He is stroking head. Understood, children? Okay. Now, number 13. Coat. C O A T. Coat. C O A T. Coat. See, this is coat of the cat. Okay, skin or fur. That is called coat. Number 14. Purse. P U double R S. Purse. Cat makes sound. No, it is cat sound. What sound cat makes? Cat. Purse. Okay, children. Number 15. Wags. W A G S. Wags. W A G S. Wags. Number 16. Tail. T A I L. Tail. Number 16. T A I L. Tail. Okay. See number 13. Coat. 14 number. Purse. 15 number. Wags. 16. Tail. Okay. Have you understood this? Yes. So now we will learn meanings. We will revise. You have learned already. But this is your revision. See here the picture of a cat and dog. So what are cat and dogs? Do you remember what we have done in meanings? Yes, they are. What are they? They are animal. So, number 1, D-O-G, dog. Dog is not a bird. So, what we will write here? Dog, an animal. How you have to write an? A-N. See the spelling of an. A-N, an. Animal. A-N-I-M-A-L. Animal. An animal. Dog, an animal. Understood? Now see number 2. What is cat? Is cat a bird? Cat. You know the spelling of cat. Read it. Yes, very good. C-A-T. Cat. Now you all know that cat. What is cat? Cat is an animal. An animal. A-N-I-M-A-L. Animal. Cat and animal. So what you have to write in meanings? If 2 options are given, no, dog for a dog, an animal or an bird. So what will be the right word? An animal. Okay? And in cat also, an animal. So read the spelling of animal. Learn this spelling. A-N-I-M-A-L. Animal. Cat and animal. So cat and dog. Dog and cat. Dog's name is Fluffy and cat name is Mimi. So these both are, cat and dogs are pet animals of Rahul. We have learned this, but we are revising, no? So we will recall it, that they are pet animals of Rahul. Understood, children? Yes. Now see. Fill in the blank. See what you have to do? Fill in the blank with correct words. See words, correct words from the boxes. So this is revision, no? So you all must be knowing this. First you read it, what you have to do. Okay, children? Fill in the blank with correct words from the boxes. So first you have to read the question and understand it. See, this is question and see here are FB. Okay, first you have to read the questions and understand it and then give answer. Okay, children? This is your revision. Fill in the blanks. So we have to fill in the blanks first. But how? By using correct words from the boxes. See, boxes, correct words are given. So that words we have to use it. And then we have to write it in the blank. Understood, children? See number 1. Rahul. See the spelling of Rahul. R-A-H-U-L. Rahul is, your blank is given. Yours. Y-E-A-R-S. Yours. O-L-D. Old. Rahul is yours old. See here there is a blank. And see here 2 options are given in the box. 6, 7. So what will be the correct answer? Can you say? Yes, very good. Rahul is years old. See here, there is two options. 6 is given in here, no? So 7 is wrong answer. But the right answer is 6. Rahul is 6 years old. Rahul is a boy, no? So Rahul is 6 years old. Understood this, number 1? See number 2, fill in the blanks. Number 2. First you read it. Rahul loves. Blank is given. Rahul loves. Then blank is here. You have to write the answer. So see here. Two options are given. Cricket. C-R-I-C-K-E-T. Cricket. Rahul loves cricket. Next word is animals. A-N-I-M-A-L-S. Animals. So these two options are given. Two words are given. From that cricket, animals. From that you have to write one word. So the blank will be finished. Rahul loves. What Rahul loves? Rahul loves cat and dog, no? So what are cat and dogs? Yes. Rahul loves animals. You all are right. Okay, children. See animals here spelling. You have to write it properly. Animals. Understood, children? Rahul loves animals. A-N-I-M-A-L-S. Animals. See, no mistakes in the word. Okay. So what you have to do? You have to, from here, write down with correct word, correct spelling. Understood, children? This is your revision, no? So you must be understanding it, and you will also be knowing the answers. Okay, children? Rahul loves animals. Number 3. See number 3. Fluffy plays. P-L-A-Y-S. Plays. You all know Fluffy. Who is Fluffy? Fluffy is dog. Fluffy is dog, no? Fluffy is pet animals of Rahul. So you all know what Fluffy likes and what he plays with. So Fluffy plays with a. Fluffy plays with a. See, two options are given. Two words are given. You have to write correct words. B-O-N-E. Bone. Next word is B-A-double-L. Ball. Bone or ball. Fluffy plays with a bone. See, now you have to write correct spelling here, okay? So what is the correct spelling? B-O-N-E. Bone. Fluffy plays with a bone. Here bone is given, no? Bone, ball. So you have to choose correct words. And you have to write in the blank. Understood, children? Fluffy plays with a bone. Number 4. See number 4. Mimi. Mimi dash. Now you all know what is Mimi. Who is Mimi? Who is Mimi? Can you answer? Yes. Mimi is a cat. So now what cat do? Sound of cat is, what makes sound? What sound makes cat? Cat, purse, barks. Two words are given. See here. P-U-R-R-S, purse. B-A-R-K-S, barks. So what will be the correct answer here? Mimi, purse. See the spelling. P-U-R-R-S, purse. Mimi, purse. Understood, children? Number 5, Fluffy. You all know Fluffy. Who is Fluffy? Fluffy is a dog. Understood, children? Yes. Fluffy, blank is given here. Fluffy dash his tails. What Fluffy does? Shakes or wags? He shows love to Rahul, no? I had told you in the last chapter when we read the lesson, last lecture. Okay, children? So, Fluffy dash his tail. Shakes or wags? So, what will be the answer? Fluffy wags his tail. Fluffy wags his tail. Okay, children? Now you all have understood this. So we will read again this. Fill in the blanks. Okay? So read with me. First you have to read the heading so that you will be able to know what you have to do here. Okay? How you have to write the answer and you will be able to give answers. Understood? So fill in the blank with correct words from the boxes. Fill in the blank with correct words from the boxes. Number 1 is Rahul is 6 years old. Rahul is 6 years old. Number 2, Rahul loves animals. Rahul loves animals. Number 3, Fluffy plays with a bone. Fluffy plays with a bone. Number 4, Mimi purrs. Mimi purrs. Number 5, Fluffy wags his tail. Fluffy wags his tail. Okay, children? Now you all have learned this fill in the blanks and you all revised it also. Okay? So now we will revise true or false. True or false. I have told you that first you have to read the sentence properly. And if the sentence is right, then you have to write true. If the sentence is correct, you have to write true. If the sentence is wrong, you have to write false. Means that sentence is false. Okay, children? Yes. So now number 1. Mimi is a cat. You all know, no? Mimi is a cat. Mimi is a cat. Mimi is a cat. Is it true or false? Can you answer? Mimi is a cat. Can you answer this? True. See the spelling of true. T-R-U-E. True. Mimi is a cat. True. Fluffy is a boy. Fluffy is a boy. Is this sentence right? Correct sentence? No. Fluffy is a dog. It is not a boy. So what will be the answer here? Number 2. Fluffy is a boy. So the sentence is false. See the spelling of false. F-A-L-S-E. False. You have to learn this true or false spelling also. Understood, children? See now number 2. Fluffy is a boy. False. Number 3. See number 3. First you have to read the sentence. Okay. Read it correctly. Mimi plays with a ball of wool. Mimi plays with a ball of wool. You all know that Mimi is a cat. It plays with a ball of wool. I showed you ball of wool. So is this sentence correct? Mimi plays with a ball of wool. So this is true. T-R-U-E, true. Okay, children? Now number 4. Fluffy. You all know who is Fluffy. Fluffy is a name of dog. Fluffy likes biscuits. See the spelling of biscuits. B-I-S-C-U-I-T-S. Biscuits. Fluffy likes biscuits. We have read in the lesson, no? Yes. So, you all know the answer. Fluffy likes biscuits. Sentences. Which sentences is true? Yes, we have seen, no? Fluffy was eating biscuits. Fluffy likes biscuits. True. Number 5. Rahul strokes Fluffy's coat. See, Fluffy is a dog. And coat, you all know it is the skin of the animal. Coat means skin of animal. Here in this lesson. So, Rahul strokes Fluffy's coat. Is this sentence true? It is not Fluffy's coat. It is Mimi's coat. Mimi's coat. Rahul strokes Fluffy's head. Understood, children? Rahul strokes Fluffy's coat. Can you answer this? Rahul strokes Fluffy's coat. The sentence is false. See the spelling of false. F-A-L-S-E. False. Okay? Now again we will read this true or false sentence, all the sentences, so that you will able to revise it. True or false? T-R-U-E, true. F-A-L-S-E, false. Number 1. Mimi is a cat. True. Number 2. Fluffy is a boy. False. Number 3. Mimi plays with a ball of wool. True. Number 4. Fluffy likes biscuits. True. Fluffy likes biscuits. True. Number 5. Rahul strokes Fluffy's coat. False. Understood, children? Okay. See, once again we will read one time. Mimi is a cat. True. Number 2. Fluffy is a boy. False. Number 3. Mimi plays with a ball of wool. True. Number 4. Fluffy likes biscuits. True. Rahul strokes Fluffy's coat. False. Now I hope you all have understood this true or false also. Okay, children? So, revise this at home. I have given you PDF, no? So, you revise it. Understood? Yes. So, Be happy at home, be safe at home, okay, and do all the homework which is given to you. Understood? And revise and read the lesson properly and revise it well. Okay, children? Yes. All the best and thank you.